Oh, what is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to pick up my truck, but I can't find my hat anywhere. So you're just gonna have to look at this without a hat. Alright guys, check it out. We're driving the old truck again. I'll show you guys when we get back to my house. I gotta go get gas, but stay tuned because this thing looks freaking sweet. If you guys follow my Instagram and my Snapchat, you guys have seen it already. But yeah, so go follow that if you want to get some behind the scenes stuff. But this thing, it feels so much freaking bigger than it did before, and I'm just excited to show you guys. So I'm gonna go get gas real quick, then we'll go home and I'll give you guys the reveal. So just a couple of minutes I've been driving it so far. I've noticed that once you get to about like 40, 45, you get that very, like what bias ply tires do when you get them going fast, I guess. It kind of starts like popping. So that could be a balancing issue. These tires, they were balanced with the beads in them, so like those take like a little bit to really get themselves where they're supposed to be. And also like the tires, like bias plies, when they're cold, they hop a little bit. I'm going probably, I actually don't know what I'm going. It says 25, but I'm not re-geared and I don't have my speedometer set. So I'd say I'm probably going about 30 something, 35 maybe, but I don't know. I mean, it works fine for me. I'm not complaining at all about it hopping up and down. I guess it's kind of just what you get, you know what I mean? Like when you go to like a big bias ply tire, especially, you know, when it's cold out. So we'll have to see how they do in the summer, but I gotta stop talking so much. I just gotta get home because it's gonna get dark and I gotta get this video underway while we still have light out. So yeah. All right, so the biggest hill around here, let's see how the 308s do pulling me up this. You know, it's really not all that worse than it was before on the 35s. So that's good. So, am I gonna re-gear? No, I'm not gonna re-gear. It's driving perfectly fine with the 308s on 38s. I see no problems at all. I'm not even being sarcastic either. Like it's not even all that much worse than the 35, so yeah.
Wow, Christy, do you see that truck? I mean, gross. That is so tacky. That must be one of those rednecks I've heard about.
Alrighty guys, so there she is. I know you've been waiting for a long time. I have too. Freaking beautiful. So you can see that, like, you know, we got a little bit more poke than before. I didn't want a whole lot. I really don't like it sticking way out of the fender, so like this is pretty much like perfect for what I wanted. And also this is just from going up my driveway. It already got friggin' mud all on it, which I'm sure you guys saw in that little clip. It was throwing mud all over the side just going up the driveway. They did put a little bit too much air in these tires, I think. I'm gonna have to air them down a little bit because they're kind of a little bit bulgy in the middle, but I mean, it doesn't drive all that bad. It really doesn't. You can see now I'm about 6 foot, so there's your height comparison with, like, I don't know, mirrors, stuff like that. It's quite a bit taller. Obviously it's a little bit lower in the front than it is in the rear. That's just how these trucks are made, but it looks way freaking better on the 38s than it did on the 35s. This thing looks fucking insane. Like, it really does. I mean, I don't know if the pictures that I took are gonna give it justice really, but man, it looks freaking good. It really does. And you look at it next to the Civic over there, it's like big truck, little car. I swear, it looks like from back here, it looks like the rims are like the size of the whole freaking tire on the Civic. But yeah, so for those of you that are new though and don't really know what the setup on this truck is, full restoration on the truck. Pretty much full restoration. It has a brand new transmission. It's running on 38 by 13 Maxxis creepy crawler bias, fuel revolver, 15 by 10 negative 43 offset rims, bedliner paint job. If you guys want to see all the videos of me actually building this truck, those are on the channel, pretty much from start to finish. All those videos are on there: painting, lifting, body lift, everything else. So it has a 6-inch suspension lift, 3-inch body lift. Yeah, man, it freaking looks super good. It really does. So this truck is not inspectable anymore, to say the least. I'm way too high. In New Hampshire, they measure to the middle of the frame or the middle of the bumper, which is usually in the middle of the frame. And you see the middle of my frame is up there. So yeah, this thing is technically illegal now. For whatever reason, I didn't know this. I think someone stole my registration stickers because they have the last year's registration stickers on them. And it's been about like 10 months or so since I registered the truck last. So I think someone stole my stickers because it still has the old 2017 stickers on it. So I don't know what's going on with that. I'm gonna have to go down to the town hall and make sure this thing is actually registered, because if I get pulled over, they're probably gonna tow it. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting tickets for this thing anyway. I don't really need to be pissing off the cops by not being registered too, so that's pretty much what I have to do, is go get the damn thing registered. But I don't know why it's not registered. Like I said, I swear to God, because it has the current inspection sticker. You know what I mean? Like, that's a current inspection sticker. And they wouldn't have inspected it if I didn't have it registered. And I remember going down and registering the truck. So I don't know what's up with that. But like I'm saying, I think someone stole my friggin' stickers, but I couldn't find the registration in the glove box either. So I really have no freaking clue what is going on with that. But you know, just some things we're gonna have to do in the near future here. So in June is inspection. So what I'm gonna have to do is buy some stock wheels and tires and put them on there for inspection. Hopefully that brings me down to an acceptable limit, and then obviously put these on afterwards. New Hampshire is dumb with its inspection laws. I can only be like 30 inches to the middle of the frame, so yeah, I'm way over that. So in June I'm gonna have to fix that. Hopefully I don't get too many tickets. That would really suck. I never got a ticket on the 35s, but I don't know. Hopefully, this truck doesn't really drive that often, so hopefully they show me a little bit of mercy. But yep, so what's gonna be going on next though with the truck? Obviously I'm gonna have to figure something out for inspection, but just other upgrades we're gonna be doing. The bumper, the front bumper, as I'm sure you guys saw in the the shots from before, the front bumper is destroyed. I need to get a new one of those. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I was thinking ranch hand, I still might go ranch hand. That would look pretty sweet with these rims. So maybe ranch hand in the front. It's gonna be getting an exhaust at some point. I'm thinking like Flowmaster 40 series or 10 series, because a lot of people hate this fucking exhaust tip, and I do too. It looks like shit. I backed onto some kid's snowmobile trailer like 2 years ago, and I ruined it. So it has a glass pack on it right now, but I mean, if I'm just gonna do the tip, I might as well do stainless steel, full stainless steel exhaust on the truck. This truck actually only has 65,000 miles on it too, by the way. So it's a pretty low mileage, pretty clean truck, honestly. Like it's super clean now that we redid everything. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's all freaking done up. This thing needs a bath pretty bad. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty stoked to be able to drive the thing again. I wasn't really having any rubbing issues either. Driving, I was hearing a sound in the rear whenever I turned left. I don't know what that could be from, but it was, I'll have to look into it. I'm not super concerned, because you guys know me. If it's not falling apart and it doesn't blow up, then I usually don't fix it until it does. So I'll worry about that when it comes to it. Well, yeah, there's the truck, guys. It's been a long freaking time waiting to get this thing done. It's been probably like a month and a half now. So I know you guys have been waiting, so I want to get this video out as soon as I can for you guys. So yeah, there's a new setup. Hopefully you guys all enjoy. If you guys want to follow my social media for more behind the scenes stuff, that is on the screen now. If you want to subscribe, we'll be doing some wheeling with this thing pretty soon probably. And yeah, be pretty sweet. Pretty freaking sweet. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys all for watching. Also, the channel has been blowing up like crazy lately. I think we're up like 300 something subscribers in the last month. So that is freaking awesome. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification too. Why not? You know, just hit the freaking bell. Anyway, alright guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.